Can you stretch without getting off the couch? Yes, you can absolutely stretch without getting off the couch. In today's world of long work hours, endless screen time, and binge-worthy streaming, we often find ourselves stuck sitting for hours. This sedentary lifestyle can lead to stiff muscles, tight joints, and overall body discomfort. But the good news is, you don't have to leave your cozy spot on the couch to keep your body moving. Couch stretches offer an easy, convenient way to stay flexible and reduce stiffness right from where you're sitting. Why couch stretches matter when we sit for long periods, especially in slouched or unsupported positions. Our muscles become tight, particularly in the hips, hamstrings, lower back, and shoulders. Stretching can counteract these effects, improve circulation, and even boost your mood and energy. Doing a few simple movements while watching TV or working from home can help prevent muscle fatigue and long-term posture issues. Easy couch stretches. You can try seated spinal twist. Sit tall with your feet flat on the floor. Place your right hand on the outside of your left thigh and gently twist your upper body to the left. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Then switch sides. This stretch helps loosen your spine and reduce tension in your back. Hamstring stretch. Extend one leg out on the couch with your foot flexed. Keep your back straight and gently reach toward your toes. You'll feel a stretch along the back of your thigh. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and switch legs. This is great for tight legs and improving flexibility. Neck and shoulder rolls. Sitting up straight, gently tilt your head from side to side, then forward and backward. Slowly roll your shoulders in circles. This reduces tension in the neck and shoulders, which often build up from hunching over devices. Seated figure. For stretch, place your right ankle on your left knee, forming a figure 4 shape. Gently press your right knee downward. You'll feel a stretch in your hip and glute area. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch legs. Wrist and finger stretch. Stretching isn't just for your big muscle groups. Take a moment to stretch your wrists and fingers, especially helpful if you've been scrolling or typing. Flex and extend your wrists and gently pull back on each finger. Make it a habit. Incorporating couch stretches into your daily routine is simple. Aim to do a few stretches every hour or between episodes. You don't need special equipment and you don't need to stand up. Over time, you'll notice better flexibility, less tension, and improved comfort. Final thoughts: stretching on the couch won't replace a full workout or mobility session, but it's a smart way to keep your body active during downtime. Small movements add up, and they can make a big difference in how your body feels. So yes, you can stretch without getting off the couch. Your body will thank you for it.